Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Madhu. I am a twin flame divine masculine. So today I am going to pull cards from the Gateway Oracle deck. I like this deck because of its unique guidance. It specifically guides you to the path, because when you are stuck and you want to move forward and you don't know what is the energy in which direction you need to move forward, so these cards are very confirming in which direction the energy is flowing into your life. All that you have to do is trust that energy and believe that it's going to work for you. Okay, so I have pulled three cards, and the first card is about prosperity, cultivating prosperity. The abundance of the universe is pouring into my life. That is the truth. That is the only truth. It can be just abundantly, uh, you know the love energy is also pouring onto me, because everything that you experience in your life, that takes you to a feeling of loved, right? When you receive anything that is make you feel like energy of feeling happy or feeling loved. Everything comes when you manifest abundantly. So at times when your life is stuck, this card is a confirmation that you are on your path of cultivating prosperity. Universe is pouring abundantly. The card meaning is a stream of abundance is ready to flow into your life, but you need to take action to receive it. Believe that you deserve it. Take steps forward by planting seeds for your future prosperity. Yes, most of the time the block to abundance is always a receiving block. Somewhere deep within you, if you have blocks related to, like, you are not worthy, you don't deserve, or like you don't deserve to receive, right? Like, as if you believe that it is hard to receive, like you have to do a hard work to receive your good. So that energy also creates a block. Actually, you will feel like, okay, everyone has says, hard work is something that is going to give you your success. That is true, but do that hard work from a place of peace. Don't do the hard work with a anxiety and a misbelief that if you don't do hard work, then things are not going to come to you. you know you can look into your life. There have been so many cases. You can meditate on that. There have been so many cases where you have taken things so lightly, but you have received the result so beautifully. That's the beauty of this life, or that's the beauty of how universe loves you, right? You don't have to put a lot of energy and do hard work to receive your good. All that you have to do is put your work in alignment with your energy, your self love, what makes you feel happy. You are going to attract your prosperity very naturally. That's the truth. That's the way people get abundant, just by doing life purpose work, because that makes them feel happy, right? Wow. The second card is very beautiful. I don't know if you can see, there is a cap, and like the magician's cap, and everything is coming out of it. So the card reads like believing in magic. Yeah, this is aligning to the abundant energy again. True magic is abounding in my life. Yes, yes, it is. You can just, if you relate this energy with your twin flame journey, all that we desire is, like let that magic happen, and then you just come into your harmonious union with your twin flame. And know that it is not a hard work, it is not at all a hard work. It is a very simple and easy way of loving yourself by doing inner work, right? So it is all that need to understand what your twin flame is reflecting back to you, and then just work upon that piece, nothing else. You don't have to do too much of work to get your harmonious union with yourself. Your twin flame is you. So magic is abounding in my life. Card meaning, it is indeed a magical universe, yes. Spiritual dimensions and mystical realms are only a thought away. The key to opening these doors is to trust in something you cannot see or hear. You can have doubts, yet still believe in a vast and mysterious universe where signs, symbols, coincidences reveal secret messages. Even if your faith is the size of a mustard seed, magic can abound. Believe it, truly. Truly, like if you are on a twin flame path, you know how synchronicities plays a big role in your life. That's how you communicate with universe. Everything that happens in your consciousness brings a step closer towards your harmonious union, and you don't know in which step your harmonious union is, right? That is the beauty of working with universe, right? So magic is nothing, the magic is nothing for universe, because universe loves you, absolutely loves you, and universe wants you to be in twin flame harmonious union. So only you just believing in this energy that magic can happen with you, it will start working for you, because it's just a matter of choice, right? And then the magic will happen, right? It could be a deepest desire and you have been hiding from it with a belief that it is not going to happen. I am telling you that's not true. Whatever desire you have within your heart, that desire is there, so that you pursue that, you stay in alignment with that desire, and it will manifest. It will manifest. It's the beauty of inner work. That is the beauty of healing yourself and coming in union with universe. The third card is making a difference. I don't know if you can see it. It is with like a starfish with a lot of blue energy and a lot of light, and there is a very big smile. So my inner light shines far and wide. Yes, yes. You are so precious, you are crafted by universe, specially, uniquely designed. Every one of you, each one of you, whatever it may look outside, but God has crafted you very uniquely within. You just have to know that essence of yourself, and you are going to expand that essence to the world. That's what is this card is calling for. The card meaning is you are making a difference in the lives of others in ways that you may not even know. Many benefit because of you. Your light radiates far and wide. Yes, at times when you may be feeling upset or separated, abandoned, and rejected, you don't know. Uh, Even without your consciousness, or not even you are not even conscious about it, you might have said something, and that might have actually made other people loved, because deep within your heart you have a desire for true love. That's why you are attracting your twin flame. The only people, the only people who are on a leading edge of this twin flame consciousness is only because deep within their heart they desire true love, and you feel like you are going to have experience of that true love with your twin flame. But the truth is, you actually have that true love within your heart, And if you just sit back and love yourself, you will be able to see how many times in your life people have come in contact with you and they might have felt so good, because your energy is like that. You are here on this planet and you are embodying this twin flame energy, is all about you are embodying the love and spreading that love energy all around your consciousness. That's the gift you have. That's the way you are going to shine in anything that you do. Anything. You don't have to be like, you don't have to prepare yourself to become something. No. Whatever you love, you just are going to shine in that way. Just trust yourself. Thank you.